yo atifo memobia chi anapai abusianfo se na eye no brani danyina no anapai so yesu ade kakra timesre wa wadawo ma obaso ana wa share video na ma kama na yesu ade. And the topic is exposing the God in the Bible. Exposing the God in the Bible. You be exposing God in the Bible. Timesre wo ba ya panyan na wa wo so mo bia ede anya bia ede ahwe. Ye ba be hwe again expose. Now, I'm saying we have been following the Bible for centuries of centuries. Book ni di echi ache. The book ni echi ache. Today is the time. Ya ba yede. Ibema ye ni ada ho se na da bia ya ye kana. Ti mesrew. Oni adafo. Wo ba so a na wa yede. Wa share video no na obi nso yede anya bia hwe. Kama. Na yede aboa yi na. Na me fa akwanya yesu na minchiachia abusianfo nyina be bi obia minchiachia ye nyina mutia mu nyina am say oh medase Mr. Aboko, thank you. CSF is CSF is making me fresh. What I say one making me fresh. What I say anti obaswa bonbon de say obeshe video na mami na obi nso ayede anya bia ayede ahwe sana da bia ayede na eme de meka ba to me share na ayede de yento aso wai ma me share video na ayede de yento aso ya beto aso sisi a exposing the God in the Bible nyame na oba me exposing sisi a me share gidi kra I'm say and I video bi and I video bi mesre na oko YouTube na wa kwahwe na wa like se na nya wo so be ye betima nya notification ba me ba cho wo ba so a na wa share video no amani wa invite amanfo na amanfo abede aba behwe arobai me be nyankopon no wo ba yi me be yini to me be yini to kakra di na yahwe am say ye be kai ni ya the message of yen no common sense family no the power of the brain say na adwen no be the bitima ye adwuma na ye kasa adwen ye adwuma from every direction adwen be ye adwuma question bisa obi bisa nsem nyoma bi a wonte ase de kire wa adwen obi de mu bisa asase so enwa na me ka ho asem se bibia ni wa nyankopon obeya amayin biem se nyankopon bi obibi ye mani ba am se de se sa nyankopon ye mayin no wa ya bi what I say wa ya bi de aka no mini nti da bia ye kasa ye pese ye ma manfo mu se adwene na yitime se de ye ye adwuma ese de adwene ye de ye adwuma na ye bisa ye ho nsem bi na ye de ye pe no kore na yi no kore echi na ye pe no kore na ye de yi no kore echi te mesrew obaso a momode na share video no mami na ye nsua de exposing the God in the Bible we better say abrante we pa e dey no question kire exposing God say one say the concept of God no nyame nyankopon obo ade irade nyame nyankopon obo ade irade God mawu yehowa ubare nyumo yawe no sa concept ni nyina eye nipa ne trase eno oyede onwene ni nyina nti me friend no anwenesem eye meat eye anwenesem eye nipa ne trase no odwene ni nyina because nipa trase nipa hu se dabi asase we emma keke ensu aye no emma keke emframa emma keke na enu pura mpokura enchiremu sa wo mbiem se wo trase na wo se asase no emma keke osoro no emma keke fani se enwia ma keke epono ma keke dotie emma keke emframa mba keke Yesan kom kura asembisa sa wo biem adenti na make asa because menu mienu ye ogidie se asasi obi ne boy asasi obi ne boy emframa obi ne boy dotie obi ne boy nsroma no obi ne boy oyua no obi ne boy ensuo obi ne boy sana menu mienu ye gidi de obo sa de no ye hunu da ye ntemi kada ye nim no na ye unia hwe let's ask critical questions ye bisa nsem ye mbreki adwen no ye mbreki adwen no eno na ye sase se ye bisa na ye amanfo adwemu na amanfo ntimi o ma biase ehenti mesra wo baso a de obetimi aye aboa me no ban se wo be share video no na obi abaso na wo ba be de aba behwe exposing the God in the Bible. Say, you personally expose ya. The menu brevino. Young Castra, your belief system, no. As I say, you question young Castra, your belief system. As an African, we are Bibinia. I thought that your belief system is that we be one step, we be question B. And no maybe I won't see a room, Tenasi. Now, analysis. No be some one send you won't be a say another day. Because here there goes to be some more. Dear woman, Asasi, Minumini, Gini said, Obi a boy. But, young Bisay was said, dear boy, you know him, you wounded that, you tin Kada. Sasasi will be a boy, and you will be a boy, and you did in a head, you did. Ebetimi abase asase nye obi ale boy me bato tie me kasa yi o ebetimi abase mframa nye obi ne boy ebetimi abase anwea nye obi ne boy ebetimi abase efone da wo nye obi ne boy ebetimi abase osrane na da wo nye obi ne boy adenti na me kasa eye nipa bi ne tenase ena nipa na adwe ka kire se dabi asase kakra kai entimi ma wo keke na by all means eye bibi eno ye utie ya meka no ensu aye no eye obi na tenase ena nipa nsi da bi ensu ye by all means eye bibi na ye de oyo utie ya meka no na ekoba no se nye obi nso na ye ekoba no se nye bibi nso na ye be ye na den enti enu nie wo se ye wogidie bi se Nyankopon enyo obi ne bo no ye gidi se Nyankopon na ene bo no enti ye wo questions bi a ye sha say ye bisa obeka se bisa obego dam ena obeye say who created God ye wo faith say God come by himself or by itself Nyankopon no be o free ba no ye mu obi ani because obi anwu da ente ne kada enti ye gidi ena ye wo se abodi echini bibi ye den ejini chire sa na ye den ye gidi enti se ye wo gidi se God come by itself adenti na minu mienu ye ntini nya gidi se asasi it came by itself me bato tie mi ai njiremu na me de ba no tie yi na bi a wan twoma no ankosi boni minu me ye wo gidi se Nyankopon obi ambo no enye obi na ebo Nyankopon sana ye gidi na ye gitum se Nyankopon enye obi na ebo ma so no na ebo no ho a ye nim so no na ebo no ho a ye nim ye bi se ho se adenti na menu meni ye ntimi nyi ni se ye fe de se asase nso enye obi na ye de ebo ye enti ni na ye gidi a ye ni na ye de ye di achi what you say ye gidi e na ye ni na ye di achi but ye ni na to ncha the man binoma e basa the God in the Bible enti enne ye ba be hwe the God in the Bible o can say you the book of Genesis chapter 1 21 all together to 22 28 ye be hwe na ma expose sa Nyankopon no me be expose Nyankopon de enti ameka sa ne say me di kai ka say adwene do yitrim no eno na ye de ye bibi bia nipa na tena se breaki ade no de bibi asu yitim aye den aba na ya ye den yafa na ye adwuma enti ndura na me ka say even the 10 commandments in the Bible wasn't given by any God. The 10 commandments in the Bible wasn't given by any God. Nipa nhye nipa ne tena ase na omhye mmara nipa adwen na omde hye mmara because nipa adwen eka tena ne se enu kwan se meye obi bone ade ntine nu kwan se wo yonko bone se why you tell say don't sin against yourself man ye bone ntia wankasa ho a ade ntina ensese hu se sadia ensese wo ye bone tia ho no the same thing they say hu say no I don't have to sin against my neighbor because ade a me what dey me na ebe ye me ya no I don't have to repeat the same thing ensese me yes ade ye de editia wo. And he said, if I love myself, now I really love myself. I won't do it. I won't do against myself. The same thing I'm doing. Catherine said, I shouldn't do the same thing to my fellow human being. And I mean, yeah, what I say. Inti embra, any young couple ne sembra mo biya. Seven pray biasa. O mine na yetimuno. Say anya din nyansa. Na ya hu se ye besiesie o man no na ye be ye o man no mu poto ye be ye o man no mu fia yale ba eyeya na ye be yale owu bi ba eyeya na ye bewu ye Ghana fi Ghana montene so ye fi bola gugu abonte sabi obi ba ekoto bebi na sabi o cha ne nan na awofo na nkasa nkire no na o ma no tete pa na emonte wo ye wo fia automatically yare bi ba yen ene ye be ye bewu nti minimum mbra bi a ye sa etia nyankopon ana efeva nyankopon mbra bi antia nyankopon ena mbra bi anso mfeva nyankopon because in the first place sa nyankopon na minumenu ye tini dia ye di nechi no no one has ever seen that nyankopon that. No one has ever heard that nyankoponda. Even says I nyankopono, me munida, wonsu munida, minima dia, we are a bit yankopono. And a minima dia, we are a bit of yankopono. And yet, Mammy call Bible na, Mimbo Numa Biso. Na yanko, ye main topic and so. Master Obaswa, na wabon one na watch a video no, Amami. Exodus chapter 20. Me ba be kinkan verses number 1. Yes, this is the timer. As I say you tin no bi ase. As say you no ma bi tin no ma bi ase. What you say? Ye tin no ma bi ase hu no ma bi. Exodus chapter 20 verse 1. Was it the 10 commandments? Sa 10 commandments ikra. Ebi wo jidie say omukoyi free the 42 laws of the math or the 42 laws of math because we call the ancient Egypt your friend say the 42 laws of math na na black people have been before Egyptians no almost set to where mbra governor mu boa answer na make Exodus 20 verse 1 baby awo bia me pesa ko ti ase say embra nipa na hyehyembra na adenti na sesa ye de ye hyehyembra na embra no atimi adi enso na atimi ayeden aboa ye because nipa ye stubborn se nyankopon na hyehyembra nyankopon na hyehyembra embra na nyankopon hyehyɛ no ode maya ye ntimi mfa nye adwuma because Exodus 20 ameba be kan according to the Bible see Moses eko jimra de break Israel for at the end of the day break mra ni nyina enti mra de nipa na hyehyembra enra na me kan say sometimes mra bi wo wa ye hyehyembra no according to location according to direction according to baby awo what you say area na awo no ye hyehyembra area awo no ye hyehyembra to favor you. Enti embra doesn't favor Yankopon or embra doesn't go against Yankopon. embra niwa bia niwa yesa eboa Nyankopon enu nie me kan you taw na ma ko that topic no so ti bon modern na share topic na share video no man. Or see, God spoke and this were his words. Or say Nyankopon kasai, I am the Lord your God who brought you out of Egypt when you were a slave. Even Exodus chapter 20 verse 1. It was a law given to the people of Israel. It was a law given to the people of Israel. That God gave that law to the people of Israel. Adenti, was it they were slaves in Egypt? Until all them brand any mountain. But yen kind to us. Na yen share. Ebisi yen say Bible no nye na embre dune Nyankopon bre dune Nyankopon she bre bia wo ha. Nsema mi ba be kinkan. We knew it already before the Bible came. Inti obisi, how was our forefathers living before the Bible came? Time Bible nyamba abrof nyamba abibreman. Ye colonial masters nyamba Bible number no. Na ye nananom how were they living their life? No mo bo mo bra say. No mo setena mu ti say. Na ye anana nye. Na ye because they are no mo de ye adwuma no. Bible no say ye esa be si so. Nti we no esese ye da na ye dwene ho enu nie. Worship no God but me. So the God in the Bible, the God of Israel, was telling the people of Israel to worship no God except him, Yahweh, Jehovah, or the God of Israel. That means Ahano, he was not talking to the whole world, but he was talking to the people of Israel. That means if ye were GDM say, ye were Yamibia, Ebesomana, ye bet me as on Yamino, because Sassem will directly to the people of Israel. That means ye were Yamibri. Yes, some ye do mercy. Ye do mudi say, Omone boy. Nyanko boy capture the Israel for say. There are other gods among the nation. The people of Israel shouldn't go and worship that God. Asa, I don't know why you are relating these verses to the people or to we the black people or we to Africans. Yet also, do not make for yourself image of anything in heaven, on earth, or in the water under the earth. This was particularly for the people of Israel. Nyankopon capture Israel for say, mo be a graven image. Say asase ase, esoro, any babia, nobody. It mean ya wotie mi. Nyankopon bredo. Baby Amikai chapter 1, verse 1, verse 2 no. Enye wo bibi mu na ye ka kire wo. Nyankopon was talking to the people of Israel. Enye wo Ghana ni. Ye to aso na me points no so na me bra topic na nkasa so. Ozzy, do not use my name for evil purpose, for I am the Lord God, will punish anyone who uses my name. Verse 8, observe the Sabbath and keep it holy. That day I was trying to explain the Sabbath. Sabbath, no, a resting day according to the Jews. Before the Bible came to Africa, no, our forefathers knew this Sabbath already. They were practicing it. Until now, your friend, Akwasidaye, Yahuba Kuruma, young to group for your friend Kopowe. Now, be a woman here, last me kind. Book way, Bible, Senka, and crying for and Yakupon the more must say, or moon family the whole weather. Enka Sabbath day will be Tuesday. Because according to Encline for a member, a down moon fan couple, Tuesday, brother or moon couple. It is Enka Bible way, everything crying for someone. Nanka and crying for, and I only Israel for, Enka the whole world, and come back as a movie and couple, more be a year Tuesday, more be a year Tuesday. Nebom enam se enkrofobia omo from Israel for and omo the book yi ba yenti according to omo amambre omo traditions no e kire se omo no omo nyi aduma Saturday. And when they brought the book no omo the same book no say Nyankopon obo so ne asase ne ka kire o se mo bi enye adwuma Saturday enye sa na ye de tie what na ye wo sa practice ne dada enkrefo edu Tuesday omo nkopo wo ba ye wa akwasida no timisi ekoba na ekoba etimisi na sa na ye de tie but omo ya ne chenchena achi se enye Saturday nko a na omo de bere ye to aso you have 6 days in which to do your work, but the 7th day is the day of rest dedicated to me. Common sense. I try and say we nipa na we eduma. Jewa home. We eduma na obra. Jewa home. Nyesa adwi da yetrim say we eduma na obra. Eya wo ba jewa home. Na wasa to aso. So I don't need a book. I don't need a God who will tell me bra me nyama ho. Me na me de ni cha ho na me nim se na yehye me fa. Me na me ye me eduma. Me body ne bra. I don't need someone to come and tell me say my bre. Me nyama ho. Video ami me bra me kaso. I don't need a God to come and tell me say Yahuda video no wa brent kaso da bi. Enunti me hu embra bi Yankopon de bre ya eye authentic na amanfo kire se Yankopon bre ntimi nia sabi se wo ye aduma na obra eji se Yankopon de be kire se je wa wo me ana eji se wo kinkan Bible ansa wo se da bi ye aduma na ye bra ye ji ahoni wo embra ni pa ne sembra ye to aso o see neither your children, your slaves, your animals, nor the foreigners who live in your country. In 6 days, I, the Lord, made the earth, the sky, the sea, everything in them. But on the 7th day, I rested. That is why I, the Lord, bless the Sabbath day and make it holy. Verse 12. Respect your father and your mother. Anyone who said the way to name. Well, before the Bible came to Africa, we knew all this. We were respecting old people, our elders. Oh, mommy, oh, papa, you poor. I am in Mama Kakra. I am Mama Kakra say, Nippon the Seni, Bibini Ganami, Catcher, say, Senya Bible, the Bass, the way to Nunia, 7 Kayamwadi, and Tro. Na yebuade respecting penifo yebuade ankasa obinyini se wa yebu na yebu penifo as Bible ni ba enti I don't see anything new in the Bible tire ye nyamesom se Yankopon bi wo na ye besom na minim ade a Bible na ba be ya maya. People say if you don't read the Bible is the manual to David. This Bible can never be the manual. The brain is the manual, which the brain. And God rest. And how can God rest? I assemble. Abrante issue. Wow. I don't know why people will be telling me, say, after God created human being and the God gave you manual, you can't live without the manual. It is a you need a manual. No. The brain is our manual. What you say? You need brain to control the power. Brain to control the power. So you are what you think. You are what you think. You eat. Wow. You think, you act. What you are now at what I said. You have to ask or see, respect your father and your mother, so you may live long time in the land that I'm giving you. Yes, before the Bible, before religion, before Christianity, our forefathers were living. Last Namika, na me dear na me sabe papa no 121. Na me so 121. Na say research saba monte new research breaking news. Yes, we are okra and I'm 138 to almost 148. Or that's what you see. Easy. They were respecting. Me papa, na oh baby. And yeah. Why was one day and papa catch and say, oh, small. On packing in your money, small. They were respecting no papa no money, mammy no. E wo bu penny kasa would be yejuma. Wow. Penny kasa would be yejuma, but then sake of religion, sake of the Bible, sake of Jesus, no. Ye more dear. And don't tell me if it's not the Bible, we don't know how to respect. We were paying respect to our yempenifoɔ to yempenifoɔ na yɛbua yɛ kama na yɛkasa ho te yɛtoa sɛ ɔse do not commit murder. Don't kill. Don't kill. We knew not to kill before the Bible came to Africa. Don't tell me say the Bible no never yeah. We were killing. The Bible no plan never na killing na yemo. Bible no never na killing na yemo. Bible no buy no na killing. Aye bebre. Nti mesrem me patcho. Bible no de mi hu ade papa bi a Bible no de abrɛ. Ade mi hu emfaso bi a Bible de abrɛ ya bi before. The awobeka wo mu ne sɛ Bible no abɛkyerɛ yɛn papa yo. We knew papa yo before the Bible came. 1471 1479 and the Bible no ba Africa. Nti wo pese wo ka trem sɛ time a Bible no nyam ba ye no. Na ye knew papa yo that be we knew good morals. Or see, do not commit murder. Men punipa. Do not commit adultery. We knew it already. And you don't forget the letter to the Congolese when King Leopold II wrote and gave it to the Congo. Or the man missionaries, no. Was he go and tell their people? They knew God. They knew not to steal. They knew not to commit adultery. They knew not to kill. They knew not to live on concern. They knew it already. But go and tell them their gods, their festive spirits, and go and paint them black. Until the white man came and painted our forefathers black, painted our faith black. And we painted your festive spirits, you painted black. What you say? You nim papa yo answer Bible here the ever. Yen to aso na yen ko exposing God. Me exposing Yankopon. The God in the Bible me exposing. Exposing ni kire say the amomo se mu Yankopon na aka no. Yen nim da answer mu Yankopon here the eka. Enti kai ko mu kran ka mu Yankopon o copy. Yankopon e copy the black history, the African history, the image of black. And I hear you book him and I return it to almost every prayer say word of God. Yes, what's it? Do not steal. We knew it already. We knew not to steal. Do not accuse any falsely. Do not accuse anyone falsely. Do not desire another man's house. Do not desire his wife, his slaves, his cattle, his donkeys, or anything else that he owns. We knew all these things. So I don't know me who are they or any authentic thing. Bible de bre ya na ye de ni nim dada. Afa mami ko bi topic no so na menka lesson so. Obi anti o. Me say adwen no e na ye de ye aduma. The God in the Bible o kan asem bi kire nipa. Asem na Nyankopon kan ye no. Ye be bisa question. Ye be bisa question e bia won dwen ho da. Me na tenase. Ma da adwen ho. Adwen ho sa adwen ho. E na me ni betu wenim. Se won so dwen ho na hwe. Enu ne Genesis chapter 1. Me kai ma me share from 20 all together to 28. Say na obeti asiama me yi. O see, then God commanded, let the water be filled with many kinds of living beings, and let the air be filled with birds. 21. So God created great sea, monsters, all kinds of creatures that live in the water, and all kinds of birds. And God was pleased with what he saw. He blessed them all, told the creatures that live in the water to produce and to fulfill the sea. And he told the birds to increase in number. Evening passed and morning came. That was the 5th day. Verse 24. Then God commanded, let the earth produce all kinds of animals, live, domestics, and wild, large, and small. And it was done. Verse 25. So God made them all, and he was pleased with what he saw. Verse 26. Then God said, 28. Then God said, and now we will make human beings. They will be like us and resemble us. nyankopon bo nipa no ka asem bi kire nipa asem na nyankopon kan no wanka asem ni nyina asem na nyankopon ka kire nipa no nyankopon ja asem bi ena oka asem bi wotie da meka no nyankopon oja asem bi ena oka asem bi asem na nyankopon ja no ye me no ye be expose no ye be expose sa nyankopon no asem na nyankopon ka no eno na ye bi ye adwuma sisi ano enti so obi ka kire wo se eye bible wi ena ye nipa manwa na bibi bia wo bible no mu a nyankopon de ma nipa si nipa no hu ka kire nipa no se oboa enye sa na tie me kan Genesis 1:27. So God created human beings, making them to be like him. Indeed, making them to be like him. He created them male and female. Now, question about if God created human being like him, God, nyankopon bo nipa to say nisu, any necessary nipa wo two characters. Nipa wo suban mienu, suban papa, any suban boy. The negative and the positive. Indeed, before we came to existence, nyankopon said the ono nyankopon tie on the boy nipa and we came to existence. Who tie the American? Indeed, se nipa nyankopon boy to say yensu any yenseswa nyankopon o esu papa and owo esu boy nyankopon our good character and our bad character. Nyankopon our light and our darkness. Nyankopon what you American our positive and our negative. Into the attribute na nyankopon wono. And all the boy yen nipa. The goodness, the badness, the light, the darkness, the negative, the positive in God has manifested more friends has manufactured your friends and ebendadi ewo nipam enti se nyankopon ye papa na nyankopon ko na ye bone na ode bo nipa ye te se nyankopon enti automatically nipa ye beda papa na edi suban papa ye beda na edi yes eno wujitum adenti na ye de suban boni na edi a na nyankopon se on pese ye beda suban boni di edi. Meanwhile, who boy to say we shoot any successful. If we are the character, the image, and the resemblance of the Creator, which is God, the Creator has goodness and bad. The Creator has light and darkness. The Creator has positive and negative. So we have to get the same attribute. The goodness in me, as I say, Daddy. The badness in me, as I say, Daddy. It is a nyankopon ewo the good side no the yeduma na nyankopon ko na ewo bad side no the yeduma automatically nyankopon obo ye no ye wo good side ye be yeduma ye wo bad side ye be yeduma. This God doesn't have opportunity or power say obeka kire ye say because the badness the bonina ono nyankopon the boy ye no ye the bonina yeduma or the yembetu jam na wasiye. It doesn't go with the brain. It doesn't make sense. This is where the common sense family will tell you it doesn't make sense. Because nyankopon boy to say yensu any yenseso. Sa nyankopon yi owo esu papa etinimu. Sa nyankopon yi ewo esu boni etinimu. Enti mpenfo se okoto enwa ma. Se wode enyini na wohwe wode na body na efi asie ba body one de eba the same process in the fam the same process enti ka ye bomu a nyankopon ye body a ye twa no body esia na mu enti ye say ye for the same process mu enti I don't know say the goodness in God, the badness in God, or the boy the good character in God, the bad character in God, or the bonipa. As I say, you know good character and bad character. After you the bad character, you juma. Nyango one say, you the bad character, you the humanity or the younger to jump. And then when you go so you don't to jump answer. Yeah, because it's one in a two mono. And now what you are going to and the idea is one in the bay juma. When the light work, the darkness will work. Positive here, negative be here, Papa here, boni be here, empty na Yankopon, or the bonny, I say you, what bonny a kayo, na ye bonny ye, Yankopon so the other tree or the other two jump. When the film exposing the God in the Bible, what you say? When the film exposing the God in the Bible, Minka say Obin Kwaya bonny. Naturally, you can't live without sinning. Wouldn't mean trust say from so what I say. But some today and say Yankopon boy to say you soon and says what. And then Yankopon said up born from swap. Elbow bonny will say young fine year. Yet one topic and so now mean concluded verse 27 means this will be your number 28. Or say, so God created human beings, making them to be like himself. He created them male and female. Verse 28. After God created human being, which is Adam and Hawa. Yenti asema Nyankopon ka kire wo. Yetie wia na me bisa wasɛm. Wo hia sa Nyankopon a bisa na ma ka kire sɛ Yahuda se. Wo mbisa na asɛm bi. Onyaa no. Yentie. Wasi, bless them, Yakupon Shirao, and said, Yakupon Kase, have many children, so that your descendants will be all over the earth and bring under their control. And I am putting you in charge of the fish, the birds, and all the wild animals. May repeat it. Verse 28. God blessed them and said, have many children. Nyankopon catchere Adam ne Hawa say, have many children. Mongo na mongo. Have many children. Aha me pese wo share video no mama. Nyankopon catchere Adam ne Hawa say, have many children. Now, this is question to God. Edie na ye bewo. Edie na nipa ye bewo nkola. Edie ni die na ye Yewo nipa. Edie ni die na ye nipa ba asase so. Edie ni die na ye oba benyem. Na wawo nipa. Nyankopon ka kire Adam ne Hawa say, monwo na mondoso. Just like that. This your God couldn't explain the process of monwo na mondo. The God in the Bible couldn't explain, couldn't tell Adam and Hawa the process of awo. Awo enemy yenitia yewo evidence yewo fact ye fa no factual fact yewo fact yenim enye se yedidi yenim ade a nipa ya yewo wona wutie no eye wo maame no papa na dai na wo umpo ena wo ne obi nso ada na ma umpo enti mi bi sase adwina yenya ye na yeni nipa de dan me pacho saadwe wan na kire en saadwe no wan ena kire se bema kwana kwaye oba line kasa kire ne se wo do wo pen na wo pese wo wale na wo wale ni wo pese wo ne tena na etire mawo awo na Nyankopon no wo Bible no ka mo asem no me kire akwan ye fa so ewo saa wo Nyankopon na kire ye kwa ye fa so ye line enye Nyankopon kire Mr ewu akabina me pacho wo wife no Nyankopon na ye the line ma wo mesre wo me pacho enye Nyankopon na ye obi ai wo girl na sabi wona ne wo ho no wo fiancé msle queens no mesre wa da roma line na wo koye ye Nyankopon ene koye line at the end of the day obeda ne wo yere obewo Nyankopon ka kire Adam ne Hawa say monwo na monno me pacho edie na ye wo ayedo obi be ka say edie na bra yi kai aha na me pese wo ti ase say everything came out from our brain. The God in the Bible never explained why chire mkwa ye fa so wo but ye nipa ene tena se no hu say da bi ade bi bo down ho ya dwin ko boso a ba ko ha ye friend no fo ba ko down ho ye se na mbo didi ya dwin boso pe na ade bi eda ye 9 finfin wo sere ba ko nie wani wo so a na adwen no asase kekra brante wo adwen wo gudrim enti mi bisa se Nyankopon ka kire Adam ne Hawa se omo wo na omo ndo no me sere mo me pamcho e die na ye ya wo Adam nti na Nyankopon na nka. This God will have explained to Adam say Adam mo wona mo ndo na me kan awo ye wo ne keke e ye wo ne oba beda wona ne da ohunsuo be konu ohunsuo konu a obenyem onyem a obewo won se mo Nyankopon na ntimi ankire mu nti ukọ Bible nu mu a oba be wo 9 months enimu mo Nyankopon na nka mo Nyankopon na nka se oba be wo 9 months oba be wo ntafo oba be nyem na wo ntafo mo Nyankopon na ntimi anka o se mo na mo ndo ma me pese mu bisa mo Nyankopon na be se ye wo na ye ndo ye nye die ne awo ebien na ye nye nsa yawo mo Nyankopon na ntirim enti man kan trem se we ye nyame asem na bibibia wo Bible nu twetwe won sen eni Bible nu said wo ko private papa woto eni Bible nu enti I don't know why this book could be the manual of human being me enti nya possible say book we obeka say eni na edi ni pa bobra na book we na etwe mai ba bobra exposing the God in the Bible. Nyankopon ni ka kire Adam in any hour say mo wona mo ndo e de na ye ya ye wo oba ba nyima ye de ye uhwe manyim won se Nyankopon wa keti won se Nyankopon wo Bible no sabe wa keti Nyankopon mo wona mo ndo a nka ka kire Adam say Adam kwanya ye fa so woni Hawa won se ne to soso won no fo no mia presse fa won safo fa nso fa won safo fa ni tri fa won se no na sum na obe sere ya ne sa na wo ya ne sa dia ka no ye nka won se mo Nyankopon no ye nipa da sani kura sabi mprabiasa ye no ese ya be hu nyensa sen no nyame no wo Bible no ye kura ye be hu nyensa sen no because one tell e kwa ya fa so ye de because who wura Bible mu a time Adam ne Hawa mpo omu so mo de ja no omu nyanyensa kura pamatade ye de ese etire no mo Nyankopon ba ye no say odi okope aboa mama e de abekata wo no. The God in the Bible has totally failed. The God in the Bible has totally failed. Nyankopon ka trese mo wona mo do what is the process of our war? Enti we kura bi adanse yese enye dotie bia no bi di wo obi se Nyankopon tete dotie no de bo Adam dabi enye sa oba ni be man na nipa mra eno anu oba ni be man na nipa nya de embra. The last filling station obi wumi Yahuda abrante wona wotia min TV a wo ka se your friend say na mi bisa wine and ball nipa wine and ball na mi sister wo de men kasa bebri se wo pese wo kwan ya fa so bo nipa me beto fuel wo de fuel no bu umu wia edan bi wo haya guest house wo haya me ba kutia yenko me tire kwan ya fa so bo nipa me bo nipa tu yam sesi a wo de me ma 1 hour because me ma 1 hour pe me bo nipa atu yam sesi a ye kwa yi watade woro ho empa bi suo daso ye din na hwe me tire kwa ye fa so bo nipa me bo nipa ku yam sesi a ba dia yo o si abrante we sa na o tie ne nyam se onye sa na me tie kwa ye fa so bo nipa na me ka kire wo kwa ye fa so bo nipa the process of ye fa so bo nipa na me kire wa kire wo ye srem ye ma adwen adwuma na abrofo na be de aba be da and then mefa course mienu bi wo pese wo ba so a mefa course mienu bi course ba ko mienu bi na won so ba be de ba be kire wa de number ni 0241 wo pese wo ba so a 0241 539334 0241 53 93 34 phone no ni wo fra e be den e be ba wo fra won sa be den be kam na wo question bi ana wo asem bisa bi ana wo contribution bi na wo de wo de aba when the friend is exposing the God in the Bible 10 commandments and we knew it already so we don't see nothing new Yakupon ka cha Adam ya say the process of our want to Yakupon kire nipa na we break code no the code of our ye decode ye break that code decode and I say that be e be wo a e oba ni be man na number ni 0241 539334 wo pese wo ba so afre na be kire wadi ne ba to obi mpini number na ma be wadi obi mpini number no to ma be wadi o pese wo ba so a ehna wa ba kire wadi 0241 539334 and the book abed dada ya na enu sole asenyame asem nya na irade si irade kan o kan time me pa cho o pese o ba so o betima ba so wa o pese o ba so na wa frɛ na wo so ba so 0241 539334 0241 539334 o pese o frɛ ba so a frɛ na be kyerɛ wa adwi sisi a frɛ na ba so sisi a na be de na be kyerɛ wa adwi asemu profo ya be hayo ma be hayo pa Yankopon say mo wona mo ngba wan kyerɛ kwa ya be fa so awo a o pese ye ne den they are breaking code no kra one time for your mind one time you are breaking code no kra one time for your mind yo yes wow person over live on so obetima share invite wow person over so live on so obetima invite o person o frɛ ba so 0241 539334 o fra na wa ba so na so wa be de wa be kyerɛ wa de kama why o person over so live na video no so wa share na so wa ba so na o bibia na so wa be de wa ba be ka e kyerɛ Amen TV ye kotoa so bi Amen TV ye kotoa so e be toa so am say obi o ha obi camera ba ha ma me hwɛ Moses baako Mr Moses me fa o camera no Moses mpacho me fa o camera no ti expect e be ba sisi ara Mr Moses down camera ni why o also why oh echo okay for the meantime we'll 539334 na wabaso ana ubeba life nso na wabana ya de nso wabekere wadi wadi nkyere kakra nso na wode ya wode aba wabekere wadi obi atiri kyere na adi nkyere obi atiri kyere na adi te wo pe akwo wadi nkyere bia baso braso na be de na bekere wadi oh no answer yentimi anya obetimi afre 0241 539334 obetimi afre 0241 539334 na wabasu bi wa obetimi afre 0241 539334 ofra ye be pick you wahana you know why akasa you know we be asking or say the dog in the Bible and Quran are fake. Go back to your culture and spirituality. There you will find your real self and identity. Sankofa. Okay. And Moses back also said, do not kill, but kill his own begotten son. When a friend exposing God, do not kill. Yankopon say don't kill. No. Yankopon opportunity so betime ku no ankasa ne ba. Ambrefro say do not kill. Do not kill. But this God has the opportunity to kill his own son just like that. Just like that. Exposing God. Yankopon say won na mo da. Yankopon so wan kire ade aye wo aye ye ansa ye be de ye be wo. Ba be ka kire say ye hu keke na ye wo sa. Awo in the form sa. mo na mo ndo na mo sha asase so ma yenye de ne wo eye nipa na di kodi nipa na di kodi breaking code no ana wo say dabi eye yo ba ne line wani jino wa ye ne line opene so a ya kan fa to aso what you say 0241 53 93 34 o pese o ba so so a fre na ye de na bra so 0241 53 93 34 o pese o ba live on so a o betima sere o camera na mafa wo ha aha 0241 53 93 34 o pese o ba so a fre na ye de na bra so o pese o ba live on so na wa ba so se obi ani bibia so a bibia na de mesia ha bibia besia na mafa kwanya isu so na masa chiachia ye nyina na ma de obi biase e wa tumade ani nyina ye de ye body aboa ekuo CSF common sense family se ye bie ye wa dwum ye na ti ye ho na enada bi o bi ati etrim efi ye mo frase ye kwala brem bia be susisi ano ye hu na ye twi ye mo afiri na ye de ye kwa ye ni madam asibie madam asi em se afrefo no bia ma nti e bia be besia madam asipa moya de anopai eyamosonto ni nsengokoji ojumora ayedu akegi nsengokoji ojumora ayedu akegi betima friend yaguda quintana mesram ena monka ina mo subscribe to YouTube channels no YouTube channels no common sense family CSF TV ene in fact say CSF yaguda e wo YouTube yesremo o subscribe wa like na mi adoma so be no na engi kran anytime bia mbre bia ye video beto no na wa ye de wanya alert ana wanya notification say the video bia ye atu yada ma say ye nkoso mbo eduma no ye nkoso mboa na eduma no nyede enkom kan me fa akwa na isu na mintia me bra ba ko Mr. Danso abia me da se pa o ade a wa de wa ya ma me da se pa o ba de obade nyade the vanessa obi camera baso Moses Yawson me ade why me ade nti o camera no danda ni ye ni landscape na mfa Moses Yawson o so Anas Ibrahim Anakwa was thank to you guys for opening our eyes. May the gods of our forefathers protect you. Nina wo enemy because me kasa trewa I can talk to you but I met me kasa trewa but wo be dia tum no mentimi ndim tum ma wo nti obi si I can explain it to you but I can't understand it for you well ye kasa I want to ase a nka ai te credit no do do no so nya de enkomam abosompem obi na efre no hello minua. Hello.
Yeah, now we pass on our contribution kakao program.
I was within the Kasafi.
Yeah, I'm from Abosompem Coffee, me fluffy tamanta.
Abosompem wow. Mawano kwe.
Bible say that shall not kill. But most killing in the Bible. Nyankopon are most killing in the Bible. Because Nyankopon say Bible say every year one of a channel 7 times 70 times. But Adam and Eve, according to the Bible, Adam Eve Adam, you know, Mundi Yabano. Also on the Chomono. My father Chomono can see. Bible is a way of deceiving we the blacks by our slave masters. So I say blacks, we are winning. We don't go against Bible because Bible now my brother.
Yadasi. You are our sumpim na yate menkano. That's an okay. Moses here one when Yakupon Kukunu. Moses Efon. Yakupon Kochi Moses Ewa mountain Bishop. Na Moses came still Yakupon so fancheno. Yakupon Kunu to train. Now catch that's an okay. Now what was a cool by there? Wow, killing there and yet, but I don't know why God will break God's law. One of the topic the YouTube God break God's law. Nyankopon kra or sembra ko ntimi di so. Oni Nyankopon se ne bra ntimi di so. The number still available person password 0241 53 93 34 0241 53 93 34 Fred natural wadi yɛda yɛ nua abosompemas wayade for the contribution de yɛdɛ ɔde baayɛ wopɛ sɛ woba so life nso a wobɛtumi ayɛ dɛ asɛ no video no na wɔyɛ dɛ waba so na ayɛ dɛ yɛapeke o na waba so life na wɔbɛyɛ dɛ waba bɛkyerɛ wade okay memfa akɔnya nso na menkyɛte nana kofi abosompem yɛda ase ɛne wade nkyerɛ gyifo kwame yɛda ase Anas Ibrahim yɛda ase Kaki Man the big mommy Queen Moshe Queen of CSF Common Sense Family Queen yɛda ase Abibi Man Sore yɛda ase ɔyɛ akwesi sika abrantie esum yɛda ase Abibi Man Asante Louis yɛkyia mu nyinaa Moses Bako yɛkyia mu nyinaa yɛda ase Samuel Mafo yɛda ase ɛne mochiri amo support mo boa yɛ messages videos katakira futuo mo de maye yɛda obi biase yɛde bibia besi a embe papa me besa hia bio mo somfo die okoji ojumora ayedu akegi aka Yahuda Quintana subscribe to a YouTube channel CSF TV Common Sense Family any CSF Yahuda yɛde bibia besi a and the topic no exposing God in the Bible. Exposing God in the Bible. Meda wase na bibia sia. Bye bye.